To continue our week of challenges, I want us to practice a little bit of mirror dancing. So, in an effort to practice social distancing, you should probably keep your whole 6 feet away from each other. But I want you to practice mirroring. This is an exercise that many of my dancers have done in class where we face each other and you treat each other as though you're a mirror. You don't tell the other person what you're doing. You try to follow your friend the best they can. So if you have two people, one person tries to do a whole series of movements while the other one tries to replicate it right away. So a few little examples would be lifting your arm, try to follow, and move. Upper body is usually the easiest thing to start with. If you really feel like a challenge, you can stand up and try adding some other stuff in and get more active with it. Again, you don't want to be communicating to your friends or family what you're doing. You just want to be able to silently observe and just replicate. It takes some work, but it's a fun little challenge. So I hope you guys have fun, and I will see you tomorrow with another challenge. See you then.